Yes, it's true. I got fired from the Weather Channel, and this video is to tell the real story. So, there I was at the pinnacle of what some might call an unappreciated art form. You see, I wasn't just some weather drone tracking rain fronts and cold snaps. No. I was responsible for naming the clouds. Yes, that's right. Every majestic puff of condensation floating across your morning sky, I gave those formations their identity. But of course, no one truly understood the depth of my work, and that's why I was fired. So let's back up. When I joined the Weather Channel, the cloud naming division was as boring and lifeless as a humid summer day with no breeze. They had names like Cumulus 34b and Stratus Variant 2. Where's the flair? Where's the creativity? Where's the fun? The clouds deserve better, I thought, and we deserve better. So I spiced things up. The first one I renamed, was a fluffy rolling wonder that looked like the inside of a pillow factory. I called it Fluffy McRain Face. It was a crowd pleaser. People smiled when they saw it in the forecast. They remembered it, but of course, the so-called professionals at the top hated it. It lacks scientific rigor, they said. It's not appropriate for meteorological standards. As if the average person cares about rigor when they're just trying to figure out if they need an umbrella. I mean, come on. But I wasn't about to stop there. Oh, no. I pushed the boundaries. I gave the storm clouds the drama they deserved. One massive, dark, swirling cloud that loomed ominously over the Midwest. I named it Doom Blanket. That fits, doesn't it? I mean, people should take clouds like that seriously. A warning shot across the bow, if you will. Then there was my personal favorite, an intricate cirrus formation that sort of resembled like an angry burst of cotton candy. That's what I thought. I dubbed it Angry Cotton Ball. But apparently giving clouds a bit of personality was too much for the higher-ups, so we always have to deal with those nuts. They preferred sterile, emotionless designations like LTEL Stratus 5.7 because, oh yeah, that gets the people going. The final straw, the day I named an ominous cloud over the Pacific Northwest, the Sad Burrito. It was gray, dense, and sagging at the edges, just like a burrito you regret ordering. But apparently someone's sensibilities were offended by my genius. I get called into the office by Dale, my humorless, barometric, pressure-obsessed boss, and he gives me this whole speech about how the integrity of cloud classification is at stake. Integrity? We're talking about water vapor, Dale, not international diplomacy. And that's how it went. Fired for daring to bring a little joy, a little artistry to a world that clearly wasn't ready for it. I mean, they'll go back to their Latin-rooted, mind-numbing cloud names, and the skies will once again be filled with Cirro Stratus this and Nimbo Stratus that. But you know what? I don't regret a single cloud. Fluffy McRain Face will live on, okay, in the hearts of the few who understood. One day, when the weather-watching masses rise up and demand their sad burrito clouds back, they'll realize the mistake they made. Until then, they can keep their soulless cloud names. I'll be somewhere else, naming the unnameable and giving the world the color it's too afraid to embrace.